In the bustling landscapes of Corona and Riverside County, parking lots aren't merely spaces to park vehicles. They're the first impression customers get of a business. That's why Toro Striping stands at the forefront of professional parking lot striping maintenance services, ensuring your property's face looks neat and crisp. From restriping faded lines to applying protective seal coating, our team is all geared up and ready to handle all aspects of parking lot maintenance. With our comprehensive crack assessment, we spot every crack, ensuring no imperfection goes unnoticed, thus stopping small issues from becoming significant headaches later. We bring back the vibrancy and clarity of your parking lot's lines with our restriping and line painting services, enhancing safety and appearance. From directing traffic flow to providing clear parking instructions, our stenciling services ensure compliance with regulations and accessibility for all. Seal coating not only improves your parking lot's appearance, but also extends its lifespan by protecting against various damaging elements. Our 5-step parking lot striping maintenance process ensures thoroughness, starting with assessment, cleaning, preparation, striping and stenciling, and ending with seal coating, leaving no detail overlooked and no surface unprotected. What sets us apart? It's our expertise, reliability, high-quality materials, customized solutions, and satisfaction guarantee that make us the top choice for making your parking lot the best it can be. From Corona to Riverside County, our team proudly serves communities, ensuring safety, compliance, and professionalism. Don't let your parking lot's lines fade into obscurity. Contact Toro Striping today to schedule expert parking lot striping maintenance services and make the best first impression of your property.